me eat breakfast. So we're currently just laying on the couch. We might be going to the beach here soon.
We might be.
We're leaving for the beach in 17 minutes here soon. We're on our way to the beach. I got the GoPro. I just put so much sunscreen on because I am like terrified of getting burnt again. Ow!
Burnt and turned. Savannah's the burnt one. I'm the turned one.
Oh, true.
Stay groovy, kids.
Look at how super cute this little setup was. We tried to get a good picture. It didn't really turn out too well. So some guys just walked past us on the beach, and Brooke would not go with me to go talk to them. So
Because I'm laying down.
she's very comfortable tanning, I guess. So I literally walked by myself along the beach, and they were sand surfing, and I literally approached them and I go, "Can I try that?" And they were like, "Sure." So I started sand surfing and I got hurt, obviously, because I'm clumsy. Worth it though. Oh my gosh, that was so fun.
I am so relaxed.
Now I want to go in the water, Brooke. I don't want to sit out and tan. So we got in the ocean, and we got soaking wet and salt everywhere. It was fun. We just went for a long walk.
I don't even know if I should put any more sunscreen on because it's just gonna be
tan. Yeah.
burnt and turned.
We're at dinner now. We're gonna go eat dinner. It's at this super cool place with like boats in the background. Oh. Brooke's grandma called me Vanna today.
Yeah, that's a victory.
Burnt and turned. So
What if I just slapped her?
I would cry.
I would piss myself. Savannah wants to get on the ship.
The amount of like adrenaline I have to jump in right now. Vanna. No, don't touch me. No, no. I'm gonna have to jump again.
You have to get a running start, idiot.
No, I'm gonna like try to. This is so bad. I gotta do it.
Your hands are like red. Aww. Abort, 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 abort.
Oh, I got it.
Anna, get off the ships. I can't believe you do that. I'm not with her. She's crazy.
Oh.
Come on, Savannah, don't be a wussy. Come on, no. Come on, Vanna, just be patient. And don't move. Let him come to you. Come on, you know you want it. Come on. I'm not like you.
We got back from dinner and now we're going on a night bike ride. Forgot my fish. She left her fish leftovers at the restaurant.
Just broke things.
So I'm nighttime biking right now. It is freezing and Brooke is way ahead of me. Good night.